What's happening, guys? It's Teddy. Stick around. I'm going to show you how to get more power from your Mach 1. So if you followed this car from day one, you'll know that we've done quite a lot to it already. First time it came in, we fit the Performance Pack 2 or Handling Pack kit with the Velgum wheels, some Steeder Dual Rate Ultimate Handling Springs, billet vertical links, toe links, you name it, it's sort of on this car. There's a couple of bits left to do, so we're going to do some Steeder roll bars with billet mounts and BMR adjustable drop links, a couple of aesthetic mods with like LED side markers, LED interior lights and so on. But the main thing is the Kooks 1 3/4 inch headers. So as I mentioned earlier, guys, we are getting more power out of this Mach 1. The way we're going to do that is by installing the Kooks 1 3/4 inch headers. Now, this car is actually already stage 1 map tuned, so keep your eyes peeled because there's something very big coming out soon. So coupled with a map custom tune, we're going to see some really good power and really good torque. Let's get these headers installed. Now all the parts are installed, guys, it's time to hand it over to Dee in the dyno cell so we can do a custom tune and we'll see what power it makes.
Right guys, so as you've seen, Teddy's been installing the Kooks long tube headers to this car. The car's making some mega power. It's sat at 450 rear wheel horsepower, so that's like 50 wheel horsepower gain over stock and 384 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. So with the stock headers, they're very restrictive, you lose a lot of low end power. So now we've got the long tubes on there, we've gained a lot of that bottom end torque back, got a nice flat torque curve. And yeah, car's absolutely dialed. I'm happy with the results. So we'll get the car off the dyno, test it on the road. I'm really excited to see what it feels like with a manual box. And yeah, good to go.
So there you have it, guys. All the parts are installed. They're all set up on the dyno. It's made 450 rear wheel horsepower, which is awesome. This thing's going to be insane. Now it's just time to get it on the road. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.